Got this.
What?
You ready? I've wanted to do this for 2 weeks.
Did I do one? Did you do it on the video? It's filming right now. Oh, it's going like that. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Yeah, but you can see me perfectly. You can. Okay.
Stop making noises! Thank you.
Ooh. No.
Duenas. Duenas. Duenas? Oh, wait. I made you. Okay, we're good now. Hey guys, it's Jay and I'm here with an unboxing video. I have 4 packages that I've gotten over the previous couple of months. I've been at school, so I'm going to open them and show them to you, and yeah. A few of the packages are ones that I've won off Goodreads, and then other ones are ones that authors have asked me to read for them. I'm not going to tell you what any of them are about, just look them up on Goodreads if you're interested. I'm just going to show them to you. Let us get started! Wow. First package is from Simon & Schuster.
So I'm going to open it. And also, I don't remember what any of these books are, so this is all new to me too, people. This is all new to me too.
First one is The Boston Girl by Anita Diamant. I won this one off of Goodreads, I remember that. And I'm not 100% sure what it's about. Book number 2. This book is from Burlington, which is near where I live, so this is exciting. Let us see what it is.
Oh. Oh, I'm so bad at opening these. Ooh, okay.
It says that I ordered this off of Amazon, but I haven't ordered anything off of Amazon. It is Hell Comes to Hollywood by a bunch of people, but edited by Eric Miller.
Bunch of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 different authors in this one book. Amazing. I don't know if I won it off of Goodreads because it says I bought it off of Amazon, but I did not.
Third package is from Toronto!
Oh! This is the one. This is the author. Eric Rivernight. Hi, Eric! You're watching my videos. Ooh. It's big. Ooh, pictures. Let me know you want to start with that. There's pictures. That means it's fantasy! Ooh.
It's The Outcome by Eric Rivernight. He's one of my viewers. So hi Eric. Everybody go buy this book even though I don't know if it's good or not. Next!
Simon & Schuster in Toronto. No, they can't see that. It's all good. It's all good.
The Heart Has Its Reasons by Maria Duenas. Duenas. It's like Spanish. I don't speak Spanish.
I'm assuming I won this off Goodreads, but I don't know. Also, no idea what this book's about.
Goodbye! I feel like everybody dies in this book. Ooh, picture. I'm sorry, Eric. I'm gonna edit that out. I can't do it when you're in here because I just want to act like an idiot. Okay, goodbye everybody. My mother's being a pain in my behind.
I don't like you.
Okay, everybody. Nice seeing you again. Have a good day. Bye.